If your doorbell camera records someone who never leaves, do not open the door. Follow these rules. The last one might actually save you.
Rule 1. Do not speak through the intercom. Mute the microphone immediately.
Rule 2. Do not check the door in person. Confirm movement only through the camera.
Rule 3. If the camera records movement but shows no one there, leave the house. Take your phone. Do not disconnect the system.
Bonus rule: if the recording cuts off without alerting you, do not return home that night. It means the camera wasn't the problem.